Hello, I'm Ann Shallcross Smith, known to most as Dr. Daycare in Rhode Island. I'm the mother of 3 adult children and 4 grandchildren, and I've been in early childhood profession for over 41 years. Number 1 is make sure your child is ready to be potty trained. You've probably read some books about potty training. You probably want to talk to your mother or your neighbors and friends and relatives who are potty training. And once again, most important, people know that your child is ready to be potty trained. Usually the best age to begin toilet training is between 2 and 2.5 years old. That's the best age because in the child's mind, they're more apt to understand it and they're more ready for toilet training. I have not seen a child go off to kindergarten that hasn't been potty trained, but parents, you really need to start between 2 and 2.5 years old. The signs that your child is ready for potty training, to me, from Dr. Daycare's eyes, is just so transparent. I see it clearly. They have an interest in the bathroom. But keep in mind, just because they go in the bathroom and look at the toilet doesn't mean it's an interest. It's a genuine interest. So when your child comes into the bathroom, when you're going to the bathroom, if you feel comfortable with that, you might want to show them the toilet seat. You might want to show them how the toilet flushes. You might want to show them the water in the toilet. And around 2.5 years old, they're going to have much more interest in the bathroom. Don't shoo them out. Bring them in and introduce the bathroom to them. Highly suggest you don't do it through the holiday time. It's a very busy season and you really can't stay focused on toilet training with your child. So the very best time is January, February, March, April, all the way through the summer. And that's usually more successful time for toilet training your child. A great indicator to say your child is ready to be toilet trained would be when they wake up from their nap dry. A lot of my teachers will come to me and say, this little girl has woken up like the last week, she's dry from a nap. You want to have a conversation with mom and dad about toilet training their child. So if you're seeing that in your house and your child's waking up dry from a nap, that's a great indicator they're ready to be toilet trained. Check in with the daycare center that your child's attending and let them know you're ready for potty training. You might want to have a conversation with them because they have insight on your child too, and they're training lots and lots of kids. So you definitely want to do it as a team. If you're going to be toilet training at home, you definitely want to be toilet training at school. You got to make a decision. Do you want to have a potty or do you want to have an attachment in the toilet? Those are big decisions. I have in a child's life, if they're in an early childhood facility, they're probably watching their friends in the early childhood, the little tiny toilets. So when you go and put an attachment to a toilet, children could get scared. So you really might want to have your child in the process. Take them to the store. Ask them if they want a little toilet seat or if they want an attachment to the toilet. Very important to make sure your child is part of the process. When you potty train your son or your daughter, you really need to think of it on a daily basis. At nighttime, they still might need to wear diapers to bed. But the main focus for potty training would be during the day. It's probably going to take weeks and sometimes months before your child is really toilet trained throughout the night. I highly suggest you continue to put diapers on your child. Thank you so much for listening to my experience with potty training over the last 41 years.